this project, we are using this yarn. This is merino, eco merino wool from Cascade and hook 8mm hook. If you want to know about this yarn, I put the link for you in description box below. I love this yarn so much, and yeah, it's a super beautiful colors and work up so fast as well. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this part, the popcorn stitch. And this popcorn stitch, actually you can make like 3 popcorn stitch, 4 popcorn stitch. You don't have to make 5 double crochet popcorn stitch. This size of the popcorn is a 5 double crochet, and I use it to make my Bolero. I make 2 pieces of the popcorn stitch with a long what you call rectangle, and then I connect it together with the middle part. Then I add the turtleneck, and on the middle part there is also a big shell stitch. So it's kind of like, for me, it looks like the whole ocean, and yet it looked like a butterfly to me. So it's kind of like transformation of different creature to be this piece. But today let's concentrate on the popcorn 5 double crochet popcorn stitch. This pattern is the multiple of 4, and in this tutorial I make 16 chain. You can make as long as you want. If you want to already make a big piece of these popcorn 5 double crochet, but at first we suggest you to make a small guest swatch like I do, so you can see how it turned out first. It's good to practice, and after that you will plus 2 chain, and you will add first double crochet in 4 chain from hook like so, and then you add another double crochet in the next chain, and again another double crochet in the next chain, and now you have 3 double crochet. So now we prepare for 5 double crochet popcorn stitch. We're going to add 5 double crochet into the next stitch. So when you got 5 double crochet already, like so, just make sure you count it again. Then you will take out the hook, and then you will poke the hook into your first double crochet of this set. Then put the hook into the loop that you left it before. You pull the yarn through 2 loops, and you add 1 chain to secure. Now we're gonna add again a double crochet in each of the next 3 stitch. So you add 1 double crochet in each of next 3 stitch, and when the next stitch comes, you will do the same. You will add again the next stitch 5 double crochet in that stitch. I assume that you know how to do a double crochet. Let me know in the comment below if this is easy for you to understand, or if it's difficult. How does it for you to learn to make this popcorn 5 double crochet? Do you like it, or if it's too difficult for you? Alright, now again we got 5 double crochet in next stitch, and now we poke the hook. We did the same, and then we pull through 2 like so, and chain 1 to secure. Now we do again. We add 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 chain. sometimes I say 3 stitch, sometimes I say 3 chain, but it's so good because you're watching in the video format, so you know where we are. So that is the best thing ever. Alright, now we're gonna do again a 5 double crochet into the next stitch, the next chain. I think after some time you get it, like it's very easy and it's fun to do because you see the texture right away, how beautiful the texture of this popcorn stitch. I have never do any other popcorn stitch. This is the first time I did a popcorn stitch actually, this 5 double crochet popcorn stitch. Alright, again, it takes a little time to take out the hook, but yeah, it's worth it. Now you poke the hook through the first double crochet and then back to the loop we left behind, then pull through 2 loops, chain 1 to secure. And now we're coming to the end of the row. If you have 16 chain like me, this is your end. So you're gonna add 1 double crochet in each of the last 3 chain. And this is how you complete your row 1 of this popcorn 5 double crochet. It's so cute, I really like it. So yeah, if you make this like with the more chain of the multiple 4, you can easily make a big blanket or the baby blanket. It's so nice. Now row 2 we chain 1 and we turn our work. Row 2 is quite easy, but just have to pay attention not to miss anything. Then you add 1 single crochet in the second stitch from hook, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Except the last one where you will see, I will show you. So now you just add 1 single crochet in each stitch across, and you will end up having this row. You will have 15 single crochet. In some pattern will tell you to also add in at the beginning, like of the one that you skip the first 3 chain. So but in my pattern we don't do that because I want to have the edge of the row to be smooth and not wobbly. So for that we just gonna add 1 single crochet until on top of each stitch until the last double crochet. You will see here 1 more, and now you have 15 single crochet. You see, you can also count again to make sure, because we have 15 because we don't do anything to that. You see the first 3 chain that we skip in the first row, we don't touch that stitch, we just leave it to have a nice edge and not too wobbly. Now chain 3, we are going up to row 3 now. Turn the work, we're gonna add 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 single crochet from previous row. And you can see that we don't do anything on that chain 3 at the beginning, you see, so it's kind of like leave there as a build up the yarn. And for the next one we're going to do another popcorn stitch. So the next stitch we're going to add 5 double crochet in the next single crochet there. Now you take out your hook again and find your first double crochet, poke your hook in, put back the hook where the loops you left before, take the yarn through two loops and make one chain to secure, and voila, you have done another popcorn stitch. So basically this row you're just gonna repeat these steps over and over again. I'm just gonna crochet here and let's crochet along this row together. So I want to explain in the tutorial, in the pattern, I mean the written pattern, you have also the diagram. So the diagram is quite clear. If you don't know what is diagram, please comment below, and if you want me to make a video to show you how to read the diagram, I will do that. Just let me know in the comment below if that would help you to understand better when you get my written pattern. I will make a video tutorial to show you how to read the diagram. So you already see this pattern is pretty much 3 double crochet, and then the next stitch is 5 double crochet, then you do the pop on that 5 double crochet. So pretty much this design, you're going to repeat row 2 and row 3 for the pattern. So I'm just gonna stop here. Just make sure that you don't do anything, okay? So the end of the row is kind of like smooth. Alright, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial. The sun coming out again. Before it was a little bit rain and now it's the sun. Like life, you know, things keep changing and we just have to enjoy every weather that come our way because it's just beautiful the way it is. And I want to take a moment to say thank you so much for being here until the last month of 2019. We have many years together already so far on YouTube since 2016, and you're still here. I'm so grateful to have you join my journey, enjoy this, you know, community of making beautiful things together. I really do hope you have learned many things along the way, because I have learned so much by being here and making the video to share with you, go through many phases in my life, and you know, still come back here and connect with you, because I feel it's so nice to share what we know and to not forget that there are many people that would love to do what I do. So if I can do it, I can make this as my full-time job, as my career. I also want to support all of you. So next year I'm gonna focus more on helping those who are a crochet designer or who want to become a crochet designer to learn the way I learn and to be able to make a living and do this work wherever you are. It doesn't matter if you travel, you like to travel, you can just have your crochet hook and yarn and, you know, the camera. If you want to do a YouTube channel like me, I want to take 2020 to be the year that I share this every step that I learned along the way with you. So let me know in the comment below if you are up for it and want to take this crochet journey to the next level and you know, just to convert this passion to a profit that, you know, you can live with what you love to do, and you can also stay at home with your family because you can work at home and wherever you are. If this is the idea and this is the intention of you as well for the next 2020, click the like button so I know that you like the idea. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, you can do it now. Just click the subscribe button, click the bell next to it as well so you won't miss the video that's coming up next year for you. I'm so excited for our journey together. I'm so excited for what unfolds for us all. So I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's that's coming. I wish you a wonderful time with your loved one, with yourself, with your family, and I see you next time. And don't forget to come out and enjoy the sun. Be beautiful as you are, because you are the only one that's unique on this earth. Nobody like you. I see you later. Bye bye. Ah, it's so nice, the sun comes. I really love wearing this Bolero now with my black bodysuit under.